How to change profile picture on TikTok now. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your profile picture on TikTok Now app. So let's get started. First, you will open up your TikTok Now app and this is where you will get. What you guys need to do is you will go to your profile on TikTok Now and you can see we have a profile picture. In order to change your profile picture on TikTok Now, you have to click on these three dots at the top right corner. Now, what you will do is you will click on Manage TikTok account. Here we have Edit Nickname and Edit Profile Picture. So you're going to select the second option, which is the Edit Profile Picture, and it will show you the current picture that you have. I'm going to click on Edit, and now we can take a photo, upload, or cancel. So I'm going to upload a photo. So I have selected this image from my gallery and I'm gonna just select the image. You can crop it according to the size. So I'm gonna select right here. Perfect. Click on save and your new profile picture will be uploaded. Click on save and now you have updated your profile picture on TikTok Now. You can see. This is how we change profile picture on TikTok Now. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.